Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mukhlis Hakimi bin Edi Shukri. My metric number is 067378, and this is all my group members: Ahmad Nazmuddin and Fahmi Hakim, Amirul Hakimi, Muhammad Aiman, and Khairul Ameh. And today we'll be virtually presenting our company assignment project. Okay, firstly, I will go to the company background. Honey Chicken Netizens began with the opening of our first restaurant on Kuala Terengganu since 2021 until now. We specialize in producing high quality halal frozen food to satisfy all tastes. Our passion was to help and to satisfy the food requirements of human beings through tasty and healthy products. Not only that, but all of our products are also suitable for all income levels to find fresh with high quality frozen foods, especially halal frozen foods. Honey Chicken Netizens are tailored among the main exporters, shippers, and dealers of halal frozen chicken. We are global exporters of certificate halal hand slaughtered frozen chicken and poultry products. Honey Chicken Netizen has a product such as a fresh whole meat, fresh middle joint, fresh leg quarter, fresh chicken feet, fresh chicken breast, and all of the type that have added chicken. The reason why we specialize in frozen chicken is because chicken is the most popular food that people always wanted to have it. From elder, younger adores chicken and currently eat chickens nowadays. Hence, with our patience, our product will future customer with a wide range of type. To bring more option, offer of our customer constantly great quality and affordable price of product by all people to occasion.
So now I will talk about vision of our company. Our vision is to be recognized and trusted frozen food provider in Malaysia. We will use our expertise in culinary field to be widely recognized for our innovation. We will ensure that the product we produce are in accordance with the requirements set by Malaysian food industry. We will try our best to satisfy our customer appetite so that our customer loyalty is increasing. Our mission is to make sure that customer can feel the deliciousness of our product, and we're gonna make sure that customer will not be disappointed with our product.
Next, I will talk about the logo. This chicken head symbolizes the product that we produce is based on chicken. Honeycomb on this logo represents the materials that we use in this process of making the product. The bee symbolizes how customers will always come to buy the product that we produce. This indicates the year of our business started.
This is our organizational chart, which is CEO is me, and manager is Khairul Ameh bin Nur Azhar, marketing is Amirul Hakimi bin Abdul Razak, and finance is Muhammad Aiman Rahimi bin Abdullah, and production team is Muhammad Fahmi Hakim bin Anwar, and lastly is technical manager is Ahmad Nazmuddin bin Muhammad Zaki. Before that, I will clearly introducing myself and my position in this company. My position in this company is CEO, which stands for Chief Executive Officer, and my job is to overseeing all operation and business activities to make sure they produce the good result, and also to make sure this company achieve the target. Not only that, leading the management team and give them motivated to advance employee engagement also is my passion. And the most important thing as a CEO is I need to caring for the welfare of my employees to gain their loyalty.
Okay, let me talk about manager. The first role is as a leader to make a change for the better or restructure to be embodied in a new and fresh face. Quality leaders are essential. A leader needs to plan and organize an organization and inspire the members in an organization to follow and move towards the goal set by the manager. A leader plays a role in providing intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, for example, and giving encouragement for time to its members. This includes giving an injection of spirit so that each of its members works effectively to achieve the target set by the management. In addition, the role that needs to be played by a leader is to solve the problems that arise in members and think of the best solution so as not to interfere with the performance of its members. Second role is as a negotiator. A consultant plays a role when an organization is undergoing a process of change or is growing. So, a consultant needs to be competent to negotiate with certain parties such as competitors, constructors, suppliers, and even employees or members. A consultant needs to be prudent in every negotiation process that is conducted so that the outcome of the negotiation benefit his organization. Third role is as a figure. This role means they are involved in setting the mission and vision of an organization. The leaders of an organization will explain the mission and vision to employees so that they understand and know the direction and ultimate purpose of the organization. The fourth role of the manager is as a liaison officer. The role of this liaison body is to convey the vision to the employees or members of an organization. The goal is for every member to know and be sensitive to the change that are taking place. With that, the management work will be more smooth, effective, and efficient. We need to know that liaison bodies play a role in interacting in addition to be bodies within the organization. They also play a role in maintaining interaction with individuals or groups that are outside the organization.
Okay, to be a marketing manager, we must have business management skill, creative thinking, and problem solving. Okay, as a marketing manager, we must possess leadership and communication skill. Okay, as a good marketing manager is who can increase company income by driving sales. If you want to know, advertising is one branch of marketing. Besides of that, public relation, customer support, market research also branch of marketing. As a marketing manager, I also have to identify those feature or aspect of what our company produce that will be most appealing to our customer. There are many of marketing strategy such as communication. Okay, I will communicating to public where they should buy our product that this company produce. Okay, and that's analytical thinking. I will do some research based analysis to determine what customer want and need, and lastly creativity. Okay, we need to think a new and exciting idea to appeal to our customer.
Financial function of finance department: purchase of fixed assets, meeting works capital requirement, and modernization and expansion of business. Third, the financial manager must be estimate and found required for both long term and short term. Firstly, Financial department must be determine capital structure. Once the requirement of capital fund has been determined, a decision regarding the kind of and proportion of various sources of funds has been taken. For this, financial manager has to be determined proper mix and of equity, and that short-term and long-term debt ratio must be done to achieve minimum cost of capital and maximum shareholder return just of sources of funds. Before the actual procurement of funds, the finance manager must be to decide the sources from which the funds are to be raised. The debt is deposit of profit or surplus. The financial manager has to be decided how to return present back and how to distribute as defined shareholder of the profit of the company. Lastly is financial control. Evaluation of financial performance is also an important function of financial manager. The overall measure of evaluation is return on investment, ROI. Another technique of financial control and evaluation include budget, daily control, cost control, internal audit, break-even analysis, and ratio analysis. The financial manager must lay emphasis on financial planning as well.
What is operational management responsibilities? Our responsibilities to our company is to ensure the product sold meet the taste of the customer. Secondly is to predicting product demand expectation in the future will be very important to have no customers demand to provide adequate product. Next, to supply chain management, ensure the product from raw material source are processed until the product is ready for sale to customer. Besides, I must make sure our worker make a job to delivery management, ensure that honey chicken netizen can be delivered directly to our customer on time. Ability for an operation management to monitor the project for the processing of raw material can run smoothly. That to make sure the coordination of honey chicken netizen operation management is emphasized by allocating raw material, resource and time in order to product quality products.
As a technical manager at the Honey Chicken Netizen company, function of the technical manager: first, make a report on the budget, operation and product or employees' performance. 2. Make technically relevant discussion. 3. Provide technical training to subordinate employees. 4. Discipline assistant to monitor employees' performance of the discipline. Technical manager has the function also in the operation company. First, conduct inspection on the quality product provided before buying the marketed in the market. So, had the product marketed in the according with the conditions set by the Malaysia Ministry of Health and the Malaysia Islamic Development Department for the of the halal logo for Muslim product. 2. Correct standard operation measures set by the Honey Chicken Netizen company for use the employees, because every company has standard operation to provide unwanted thing for happening. The head keeps the safety of employees with working. Check the availability of the machine used to start operation and check the existing machine to avoid problem, because the availability of the machine is the responsible of the technical manager. Then before starting the factory operation, the technical manager should check first to avoid accidents to employees, because this honey chicken netizen company has a money machine have a various function. The manager has the function also in the development of the company, giving company related idea to deliver the company in a fair reason, so had the company remain stable in the market. Among then building new product and also marketing existing product, had a new product to overseas market.
Okay, for our company, we have two products. This is our best-selling product since we operated. Okay, for first product, which is named chicken drumstick and chicken wings. In this packaging, for honey chicken drumstick, we have 8 piece for chicken drumstick, and for honey chicken wings, there is a 10 piece, because the wings part don't have much chicken meat compared to the drumstick. For honey chicken drumstick, which is price per pack is 20 ringgit, and for honey chicken wings is 25 ringgit.
Next, I will talk about our target market. Honey chicken netizens, our target market is we want to sell and compete in the fast food market industry to make it easier for buyers to prepare it and also easy to store and take it to anywhere. And our target customers are all age, because this food is made suitable for all age, and we also target for people who like Western food, especially chicken. Okay, lastly, that's all from our group, and I really want to give a big appreciation for Miss Adeline, because trusting us to make this presentation happen. And that's all from us. Thank you.